Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix iPhone apps download stuck on waiting on home screen. For example, if you have recently download and install the app from the App Store, and after that you see that that app has gone on suspended, and you see that it is still on waiting, and download hasn't started yet again, and how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi internet connection, and after that what you have to do next is you have simply go to settings. So in settings, you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option on transfer or reset iPhone, and you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go back, and now you have to open the App Store again, and you have to simply search for that app, and you have to simply search for that app on the App Store, and you have to make sure that you have properly installed the app from the App Store. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the app. If the problem is still there and the app is still in a waiting condition, then you have to simply press and hold the app, and you have to remove or uninstall the app from the iPhone, and after that you have to simply open the App Store again, and you have to install the app again. If the problem is still occurring, then you have to do what you have to do next is you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem, and you have to simply search the Apple support, and you have to ask the people what they do after they get this kind of problem. So people share their ideas about the problems related to Apple support. So you can simply get that. Moreover, you can also send that to Apple support, and they will connect to you and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.